ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ పాదుటెక్ ఛానల్, లైక్ ఇట్ అండ్ షేర్ ఇట్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం నీట్ ఎంబీబీఎస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి బిట్స్ గురించి చూద్దాం. ఏసీ జనరేటర్ కన్వర్ట్స్ మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ టు ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ టు మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ, heat energy to mechanical energy, armature with coil. AC generator converts. So answer is A, mechanical energy to electrical energy, because in AC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So answer is mechanical energy to electrical energy. Next question. Find the compound with the highest boiling point among the following. Options: N-butane, N-octane, isooctane, 2233 tetramethylbutane. Answer is N-octane, because the boiling point of a compound is influenced by the strength of intermolecular forces, primarily London dispersion forces. For these non-polar alkanes, London dispersion forces increase with the size of the molecule and decrease with branching. So answer is N-octane. Next question. Name two main parts of an AC generator. Options: starter, rotor, both 1 and 2, none of these. Answer is both 1 and 2, because the two main parts of an AC generator, also known as an alternator, are the starter and the rotor. The starter is the stationary part of the generator containing the armature windings where the current is induced. The rotor is the rotating part of the generator which spins within the magnetic field to induce a voltage in the stator coils. So answer is both 1 and 2. Next question. Formation of an alkaline from reduction of an alkyl halide. So formation of an alkane from the reduction of an alkyl halide with zinc. Options: Cannizzaro reaction, Franklin reaction, Colbert reaction, Wurtz reaction. Answer is Franklin reaction, because the formation of an alkane from the reduction of an alkyl halide with zinc is known as the Franklin reaction. This reaction involves the use of zinc metal to couple two alkyl halides, forming a longer alkane chain. So answer is Franklin reaction. Next question. Dash encloses thyroid responsible for its movement during swallowing. Answer: options: prevertebral fascia, pretracheal fascia, investing layer of the deep cervical fascia. Answer is peritracheal fascia. The peritracheal fascia encloses the thyroid gland, and its attachment to the hyoid bone ensures that the gland moves superiorly during the act of swallowing. Next question. An alternative current generator AC current reverse its direction. So options 10 times per second, 20 times per second, 60 times per second, 50 times per second. Answer is 50 times per second because in an alternative current AC generator, the current reverses direction at a frequency determined by the rotation speed of the generator coil. So the AC current reverses its direction 50 into 2 is equal to 100 times per second. Next question. Find the correct order for the ease of formation of free radicals. So options 1 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degrees. 3 degree is greater than 2 degrees is greater than 1 degree. 2 degrees is greater than 1 degree is greater than 3 degrees. 2 degree greater than 3 degrees is greater than 1 degree. So answer is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So because the order for the ease of formation and stability of alkyl free radicals is tertiary 3 degrees is greater than secondary 2 degrees centigrade is greater than primary 1 degree centigrade 1 degree. Next question. In chronically deficient patients, this abnormality is directly related to the enlargement of the thyroid gland. Options impaired conversion of T3 and T4, reduced activity of thyroperoxidase, elevated levels of TSH, an antibody that binds to the TSH receptor in the thyroid. Also is elevated of TSH, elevated of levels of TSH. Next question. If the coil is placed perpendicular to field lines, then the number of lines passing through the coil is answer. Options minimum, maximum, zero, zero. Next, maybe maximum or minimum. So answer is maximum because the number of magnetic field lines passing through a coil is a measure of the magnetic flux. So equal to BA cos theta. So and all this for this question answer is maximum, maximum, maximum. Next question. Which of the diseases is not related to thyroid glands? Cretinism, myxedema, goiter, acromegaly. So answer is acromegaly. Cretinism, myxedema, and goiter are all diseases related to the thyroid gland. Cretinism is caused by severe hypothyroidism during infancy or early childhood. So answer is acromegaly. Next question. The sinusoidal oscillator is also called options LC oscillator, harmonic oscillator, RC oscillator, crystal oscillators. Answer harmonic oscillator because a sinusoidal oscillator is an electronic circuit that produces a continuous oscillating output signal without an external input signal. Next question. Which of the following conformation of N-butane is the most stable? Which of the following conformation of N-butane is the most stable? So options eclipsed, butane, staggered, next skew bot. Answer is staggered. So the staggered conformation of N-butane is the most stable because the bulky methyl groups are as far apart as possible, minimizing steric and electrostatic repulsion. Next question: which of the following reaction is common in alkanes? Which of the following reactions is common in alkanes? So options: addition, elimination, substitution, superposition. Answer is addition because alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain a carbon-carbon double bond. The presence of the double bond makes them electron rich, susceptible to attack by electrophiles. In addition, reactions the double bond is broken and new atoms or groups are added across the two carbon atoms. This is the characteristic reaction of alkanes. So answer is addition. Okay. Next question. Ethylene bromide on treatment with zinc gives. Ethylene bromide on treatment with zinc gives alkyne, alkene, alkane, all the above. So here answer is alkane because ethylene bromide, also known as 1,2-dibromoethane C2H4Br2, reacts with zinc in dehalogenation reaction to form ethylene C2H4, which is an alkane. Next question. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their options: so family, genus, division, order. So here answer is family. Next question. The release in energy in nuclear fission is consistent with the fact that uranium has options: more mass for nucleon than either of the two fragments, has more mass for nucleon as the two fragment, has exactly the same mass for nucleon as the two fragment, less mass for nucleon than either of the two fragments. So answer is more mass for nucleon than either of the two fragments. Next question. Find the alkane with the maximum stability. Find the alkane with the maximum stability. So options: cis 2 butane, trans 2 butane, 1 butane, all have the same stability. Answer is trans 2 butane because alkanes are stabilized by hyperconjugation, which increases with the number of alkyl substituents attached to the double bond carbons. But both cis-2 butane and trans-2 butane are disubstituted, while one butane is monosubstituted, making one butane the least stable of the three. So answer is trans to butane. Next question. One of the first acts in taxonomy is options: identification, description, naming, classification. Answer is identification because the first act in taxonomy is identification, which involves recognizing and characterizing an organism to determine if it is new or has been previously described.